Hello everyone, today I bring you the Shadow Hot Air Balloon Double Mirror Eye Embroidery tutorial. First, we follow the diagram's points. From 1, insert needle. Then insert the needle into 2. Be sure to pull it out from the middle, so that the eye of the mirror can be enlarged. Then, from 3, enter needle into 4. From 5, enter needle into 6. From 7, enter needle into 8. Feed through the 9 needles. From 11, out of needle into 12. From 13, enter needle 14. From 15, enter needle into 16. From 17, insert the needle and enter 18. From 19, out of the needle into 20. From 21, enter needle and enter 22. From 23, enter needle and enter 24. From 25, insert the needle and enter 26. From 27, out and into 28. From 29, out and into 20. From 31, out and into 32. The double mirror eye needle type is completed. Still need to pay attention. When embroidering each stitch, you must pull it from the middle out. That's all for this sewing tutorial. I make you like us. Enjoy the wonderful design of sewing and embroidery. See you next time.